Find or read reviews that people are talking about. PETSITE 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, 3-in-1 Multifunctional AC Cooling Unit with Remote Control, Dehumidifier. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose PETSITE 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 3-in-1 Multifunctional Design. This portable air conditioner is built with a fan, a dehumidifier, and a portable AC unit in one to meet users' different needs. The adjustable temperature range is 61 degrees Fahrenheit to about 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 wind speeds are high and low. And the unit removes moisture up to 51 pints per day. Powerful cooling capacity. This 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner can bring cool comfort to every corner in the room, and the recommended cooling area is 350 square feet. With 2 carry handles and 4 universal wheels, this portable air conditioner is effortless to move between rooms and allows you to enjoy cool summertime anywhere. Enjoy peaceful sleeping. Under the Smart Sleep mode, this AC unit provides you with a comfortable sleep environment with 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit per hour auto temperature raise and low noise level. The 1 to 24-hour timer can be set to fit your lifestyle. With overflow protection, the AC unit auto cuts off the power when the water tank is full. Customize your desired airflow. This portable AC unit is equipped with LED touch panel and remote control, and the max control distance of the remote control is up to 16.5 feet. The adjustable louver offers 90 degrees up to down manual swing according to your favor. Easy to install and maintain. The package includes the window kit that fits to windows with width/height within 25.5 to 47 inch, and the installation is easy with instruction and accessories. There are 2 drainage ways, manual and continuous drainage. And the removable filter can be directly washed by water. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.